everybody. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day out there. Welcome back to my channel. I had a delivery come from Amazon, so the delivery driver saw the car. I was doing a detail on it, and so he come out and was asking about it and wanted to hear it start, so I went and got the key and started it for him. But then, one thing I like doing, because, I daily drive this car, is I was, asked him if he had ever been inside one, that got to sit in one. He's like, no. So obviously wanted to give him that opportunity, see what he thought, showed him the engine, all the good stuff. This car's been a pleasure to have. I do have my Corvette Z06 being built soon, so I won't have my ZL1 for that much longer. So kind of enjoying it as much as I can. Been a fantastic vehicle, though. One of the best I've ever owned, for sure. Even with the 1LE being a harsher ride, it's, I've enjoyed it, even daily driving it. I did hit a milestone. Did surpass the 20,000 mile mark. So had the car about 3 years, but I do daily. I just don't do a big commute. Still, like I said, waiting on the Z06 to get built. Right now, the TPW build week is 11/20. That obviously could change. I mean, it did change once already. It moved from 10/16 to 11/20. But, that's going to be the week of Thanksgiving. So we'll see how that plays out. Hopefully, if it truly stays at the 11/20 build week, hopefully I will have a VIN number next week. Since, Shane at the museum told me usually you would get, the VIN number gets signed the week before the build. We'll see if that happens. I've reached out just to see if he's got it yet. And I will definitely do a video on that whenever I take delivery. Right now, I don't know what the time frame is on that after it's built, and then you wait for a quality hold, and then go to the museum, and then schedule. Once I get a date of when the museum delivery will be, I'll definitely make a video of the date, because I know there's some people that have said that they wouldn't mind coming up there that live around there or just want to go on a road trip. We just have to see how the weather's going to be, when it's going to be. Hoping to have the car before Christmas, but you know how that goes. It's been a interesting year for the Corvette, so hopefully there's no foreseen issues. But on that note, I'm going to wrap this video up. Just want to make a quick little video and just to kind of give an update, and I will see you guys on the next one.